Oh shit. Oh, do you see the little toy car in the bottom left? That's
Dude,
so cute.
rip. Oh, he goes back on the road.
Dude, if they recovered.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Dude, you recover, I believe. You recover.
Recover. Oh. Wait, that's not that bad. In the fucking emergency lane, right?
Yeah, but it was
That's called parallel parking.
Oh my god, he actively just did not listen to the honk. That was crazy.
That is terrifying.
Wonder where we're at.
Okay, I thought it was gonna be that car, and then I was like, nothing happened.
That
and
was
then
sick.
I
That
saw
was
it.
odd.
Dude, turn your headlights, man.
Oh my god.
Nissan
Whoa,
Altima.
bro just crumbled.
Cars are meant to do that, though,
Something
right?
was dripping.
Yep.
Oh my god.
I know, but it was like pieces.
Dude,
like one piece.
The Prius is places to be, man.
Okay, go get out. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Dude, can I have some resolution back, please?
Yeah,
What
like
the
we're
fuck?
can I have some more
Dude!
pixels? Holy fuck,
Okay.
dude! Like, how do you even avoid that?
That is the brightest car I've ever seen in my fucking life. How do you not see
Yeah.
it? How do you-
It is
It's
like,
true. Wait, you're so right, dude. I didn't even think about that, brother. We're so high up. Is this what
This
it's
is a
like, guys?
semi-truck, yeah. This is what it's like.
I mean, I'm not even that much taller. I'm only 5'6". Well, you're small though. You're like really
That's
small,
7
right?
inches taller than me, Poke.
That's fucking crazy. That's how do you live?
You met me in person.
Uh-oh. Yep.
Dude,
Did you hear that sound? I loved that. Can we replay that?
This person's watching YouTube, by the way.
it sounds really loud for like what
I
happened.
love it. Wait, play it.
God damn.
Dude, like, holy fuck. That was so good.
Yeah.
Welcome to Boost Mobile.
Okay, which one's it gonna be? Eeny,
Oh my god, they're
meeny,
fighting! They're fighting
mo.
for dominance!
I think we need more like fights
That guy
on the
threw-
highway.
We do, yeah.
This is Utah.
Which car is making that noise?
I think it's the one that's lowered. That's like weaving.
Oh,
Yeah, it's that
crumple. And his tire. Where is it? But where's the rim?
one. Dude, that's so
The
fucked up.
tire
Was that a
went
Porsche?
away.
That's a Porsche. You just fucked up a
Yeah.
Porsche real bad. That's crazy.
Damn.
That's fucked.
Oh.
Oh.
You take that shit slow, bro. You don't know what's fucking coming.
What is this?
Another one.
cartoon?
Another one.
What is
Another
he
one. Can we
doing?
get another? Oh, wait. Is there no crash?
I guess it was just the dude standing up there. Oh. My god,
Another
man,
one.
what are we doing?
Oh my god, dude. The way he fell into the. Oh my god, that was scary.
Tom and Jerry ass BS.
Texas.
Texas. Yeah, I was literally the squiggly lines.
I just was like, there's 3 turning left lanes.
I wouldn't be surprised if this is like.
No,
near
this
me
is
or
Texas.
something.
This is, it has a Texas turnaround.
Oh, true.
Dude, that shit's gonna kill you, man.
Yeah. Maybe it's not time
Slam
to
on
play
your
games.
brakes, bro.
Damn, he made you look like a bitch and almost tried to kill you. That's crazy. You got mogged,
Bro
bro.
asserted his dominance.
Should have just sped
Yeah.
up, man.
Speed
We're
racer.
vibing.
Dude, this music's way too chill. Can we?
I like it. Oh, bro only harmed himself. Did anyone else get like caught up in this? That's so funny. Bro went left and then right and spin and now he's in a fucking ditch.
That's how you win.
Oh my god!
Bro.
Oh, does the cop gonna do something? They did something!
Wow, they did something for once, potentially. They probably just let him go, let's be real.
Oh.
My god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
The curb.
Oh. Dude, that looked like an
Jesus.
action movie.
It's crazy because there's way more to this video. It's gotten so
Yeah, they
much
cut that
worse.
short.
Actually?
There
They
has
cut
to be,
that
dude.
short.
It cuts while it's rolling. Like Nissan Altima.
Jesus.
Oh fuck. That's fast. The fucking honking. Kia Soul.
Yo, he got it though. He's got
you
it,
know?
dude.
What the fuck?
Wait,
dude?
hey yo, bro's a fucking speed racer.
He's the only
He
one
should
there that
get
can drive, man.
Oh my fucking god.
Literally, bro.
The resolution was so low. I didn't know if that was a car or not.
That
I was like, what the fuck?
That was a crazy video. We just watched a car
That
get
was
pancaked.
fucking insane.
Okay. Oh, okay, they stopped.
All right, we're all good.
Oh, ooh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow.
No, you got hit with the dust
Never
cloud.
drive with the top down, dude. Never
Yeah.
enjoy your convertible, ever.
You're not allowed to, bro.
That's a nice view.
Uh-oh.
What's wrong, dude? It's
That
fine.
probably shouldn't be happening.
Built for
but-
tough.
Idiots in cars, boys.
Dude, he's a
he
Redditor,
said-
man.
That's the name of the...
knows that it's fell out. I think he knows.
It's crazy you're
Why are
tailing
you
this guy.
behind it?
Yeah.
that's what I was thinking.
You're, it's not even like just behind them. They're like right behind them. Like you're at the distance where they tell you not to be so you can like avoid shit.
Gatlinburg.
I know the other panels aren't.
Oh,
Dude, let him
Okay.
live, okay? His job sucks.
it does.
Those
Yeah, I won't
cars
deny
are so
that.
cute.
They don't even have AC in them.
They're so cute.
Well, they're open, aren't they? Usually.
Yeah, but like it doesn't matter if it's open if it's 90 degrees.
True.
I guess. We drifting.
no.
We having fun.
Oh,
Dude, that's a rare car you just fucked up.
I know, right? Again?
Oh, that's like a YouTuber. He has like Cypher on the side.
Oh, like he does it multiple times? Oh, he almost kills people? Okay. Bro's just ruining the car.
He's having fun.
He's like, no.
He
okay,
is
okay.
having fun, or
Don't
he
you-
was.
Don't you dare.
Yeah, man, you got this.
He's having a blast.
Just drive away.
No, the tire,
It's
look
like,
at the tire.
It's falling apart as he drives. It's so fucking funny.
Or 7, man.
Hey,
he's
yo,
got
wait!
this.
Oh, he perfected.
Oh,
or perfected.
shit.
Perfected. What am I saying?
What is happening?
I-
like the
Yeah,
fucking
I'm the-
I don't
rays of
know.
heaven
Angel on the
beaming
road,
down on
bro.
the
What is
highway,
that?
dude.
That was no one's fault. I couldn't see shit.
Is that what like full on astigmatism's like?
Bro, are you good? Listening to Radiohead on the road?
Bro. Oh shit.
Truck on truck violence.
Dude,
You never want to see it.
you just had to
Oh, it's
wait,
sparking.
man.
Oh shit, it's
Could
sparking.
have all been
Is that gonna blow
solved.
up?
Oh my
Dude,
god.
there's no reason for you to be exiting that driveway that fast. Like, what are you doing?
They do it every day, and it's never been a problem until then.
Yeah.
Even their suspension though. Did you see the car with the dent already in their fucking door? Did you see that? I was like, it's gonna be that one. That's so funny.
My god.
Absolutely
Too bad it
fucked
went
up
off
their
screen,
tire.
so we don't actually know what happened fully.
Okay.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the hell, man?
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Why are they mad? That's crazy. Oh. Oh.
What a crazy
They really
song that
are in the danger zone, dude.
Are we? God damn, man. I'd maybe slow down a little bit, man. I'd slow down. This is not. So the guy driving is an idiot here, right?
Yeah,
Why
the guy
risk it?
driving is 100%
Fucking
idiot.
morons, dude. Just
at least there's-
Redditors and thinking that, oh, I'm in the right, so I can just do this actually. Like, dude,
There's
do
even
you
like a
care?
sign that's blinking that says "Truck Enter Inspection Station."
Yeah.
Like they
Yeah,
have
like,
to
do
go
you
to the
care?
right.
You care about your life or no? Like, if you don't, I understand. But like, dude, it doesn't matter if you're right if you're fucking dead.
Well, clearly they don't. They wanted the red and gold, man.
Quebec in terms only
At least they're doing it, dude.
Yeah.
Buzz.
What happens to the school bus?
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Wait,
barely
he
missed.
avoided a felony, dude.
Let's go.
He dodged.
following some lawyer tactic offered me another carrot.
That's the dude. What is up with that blinker?
Yeah, it's way too fast. It's freaking me out. What, brother? And is like a bumper falling off or something? Like, what was happening there?
Just
Is
having
this
a
road
little fun.
rage?
We were even prepared to offer you a special bonus in the amount of $250,000.
Dude, what is up with this car? This is why there's traffic, by the way. Every time you get traffic on the road, this is why.
Nothing more.
It's always this guy doing this. Every time.
I was defeated, and he knew it. What do you?
Right. So it might be different. Plus, if you're gonna have people over, you're gonna want it clean.
Okay. Did
Dude,
they like
where's
leave
this
their
guy
blinker
going?
on or something, or? Oh, they didn't. They're not going right. Okay. Oh, but they're going right. Okay. Oh, but they're last minute going right. Okay.
To be fair,
Places to
dude, they did tell
What
you
are
like
they doing?
miles ago, bro.
What are they doing?
I'll let you go so you can call whoever. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
He's going on a road.
Yeah,
No fucking
he's
way.
going on the road.
No way.
That's where
Oh, his
cars
tire
go,
didn't-
brother. Is his car? Is
Honestly-
his tire
Parking
broken?
brake on? What's wrong?
Yeah, what happened?
Honestly,
I don't.
If
What's the issue?
is it the
Okay.
parking brake?
I have no
don't
idea.
know.
If your tire doesn't work though, an icy day is perfect. These are
It's a
just
beautiful
live.
day out here. This is like a really nice view. Like this camera is like hella HD. What the hell? Oh, goodbye, trash can.
No, dude.
Something just flew off of it. Did you see that? Whee! Oh,
Oh,
All right.
it's not a four-way. Interesting.
could bro just not see that, or?
They just didn't slow down enough. They
Maybe
couldn't
they were
turn.
looking at the GPS or something. I don't know.
GPS said straight.
Damn, that's gotta be embarrassing. It's like when you fall and like you slip and hit your head and you just gotta pretend it didn't hurt. Alright, dude. Get him.
Trucks
Get
can't
him!
see. They
Get
can't,
him now!
They can't fucking see shit, bro.
See, I'm peeved. I'm peeved, bro. I'm peeved. This should just not have happened. And your dog's in the car!
It's
What?
so low. It's
That's
so low.
crazy.
Incredible. With the
Dude, that-
windshield wipers
That's
on.
a
It's so
Miata, dude.
little. It's so small.
That's crazy. I bet they have summer tires too. I bet they're not even all season.
Oh my god. Something's gonna happen. I'm scared. Okay.
The fact that
That
the
is some
yeah,
bullshit.
dude. The fact
I'm
that the car
pissed.
behind also tries
Yeah.
crazy.
It's
This dude's
cooling.
stopped to move the sign. And I'm telling him it's closed. And he don't care.
Uh-oh.
It's only closed as much as the sign says, dude.
They caught your ass.
Oh,
If the
fuck,
sign's
dude,
gone,
that's so
it's not
funny.
closed.
What if they're not even going after him, though?
You got caught within a second.
Oh, they got caught. Never mind.
Dude, I'd go like no habla English.
Where you at?
Then they just shoot you.
Oh,
but
did they
you
hit the
can't read
house?
The ramp closed, you know?
Oh, I heard something pop.
Dude, this sucks. He's just destroying everything.
And he's just
So
going
bouncy.
still. Oh my
Again?
god.
He's just destroying
Oh
everything.
my god.
Brother.
There's
What
a
the
GTA
fuck,
right
man? He's just running into everything. What the fuck, man?
now. Do you think the helicopter's seeing this? Reporting
He's
live.
just driving into
Yeah, he's
the
still
house.
just going.
Oh, is he pissed? Is he pissed at someone?
I can't tell, man. This
Well, he hit a
is
house
insane.
as well, so I have no fucking clue what's going on. Angry or drunk? Probably not drunk. I think he's just. Yeah, this is like a rage thing, I feel, right?
I think this is a
Dude.
rage thing.
It's
I
like
think
the
bro
shitty,
was like on his 9 to 5 and he's like, I'm gonna
Yeah.
go fuck up their shit, bro.
the shitty killdozer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god,
Yeah, okay,
bro.
that person had nothing to do with it, though. That person had nothing to do
Like,
with it.
surely.
They hit that car earlier too. That's fucking crazy.
I mean, what's it more if you just hit it a
And
little
then
bit
he
more,
just
right?
leaves.
Yeah,
Job
now
well
time
done,
to make my
dude.
grand escape. They'll never catch me. I'm driving such an inconspicuous vehicle.
It ran over everything. That's fucking insane.
Good God.
All right, that's for the
man.
video. Thank you for watching. Click the address now. Bye.
Bye!